Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to make the Dalgona coffee and a few simple variations of it. To make the Dalgona coffee, you want to use equal parts of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. A little backstory on Dalgona coffee is that it became popular during Korea's quarantine and then went viral worldwide. If you're feeling strong, you can mix this by hand, but just be aware it's going to take about 5 minutes of constant mixing, or you can use the mixer and it takes about 3 minutes. Keep whipping the coffee until stiff peaks form. You'll know when this is ready when you can turn the spoon upside down and the peak will hold. To make the Dalgona coffee, we're going to start with crushed ice, cold milk, and the whipped coffee. To make this a caramel macchiato, you want to drizzle the cup with a little bit of caramel syrup, and then you're just going to put a little bit on top as well. To make this a Vietnamese coffee, you just need to add sweetened condensed milk. To make a cafe mocha, you're just going to drizzle the cup with chocolate sauce and then put fresh chocolate shavings on top. To make the next two drinks, we're going to start with 1 cup of ice cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and whip until medium peaks. To make the whipped matcha latte, you want to take half of your finished heavy whipping cream and add 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. I tried mixing just the matcha by itself, but it doesn't form into a foam. To make a kid-friendly version, we're going to make a whipped chocolate milk. You want to take half of your whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of your instant chocolate milk mix. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, hit the like button and a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.